Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick phone video. In today's video, we're talking about the Moto E. This is a new phone that came out on Boost Mobile. As you can see recently with it not having any reviews. But like I said, it's a newer phone, so let's go ahead and check it out and see what kind of specs it has, the price, and all that stuff. But before we continue, let's go ahead and talk about our sponsor, Honey. So Honey is a free web browser extension that will find you the best promo codes on any popular shopping websites like Boost Mobile, Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic. That will be in the description below. Like I said, it'll find you the best promo codes and discounts. Like right now with Boost Mobile, they're offering 20% off by using code SUMMER2020. If you didn't see that at checkout, Honey would tell you. So check it out. Once you make your first purchase, I do get a small commission. So check it out. So let's check out this phone, guys. So Moto E. You can definitely tell it's going to be on the very budget side. It's only $120, but you can, of course, Boost Mobile always gives you discounts, and you can get it at $69.99. So that's a pretty good discount. And like I said, it's pretty good that they do give you that discount because, you know, other carriers would not give you that discount. And you know who I'm talking about. So it says the Moto E gives you a fast-facing 13 megapixel, wow, dual camera system, so you can easily add beautiful bokeh effects to portrait. Plus you get a long-lasting battery, so you can go up to 2 days on a single charge. Wow. So Motorola's always been known for giving you a pretty big battery, which is pretty good, honestly. This is enjoy an ultra-wide 6.2 inch, wow, so big phone, big battery, max vision display, octa-core processor speed, wow, and a simplicity of unlocking using only your fingerprint. Moto E, more camera, more power, more fun. And of course, all the new phones that are coming out with Boost Mobile have the expanded data network. They're capable with it, since, you know, Sprint's kind of went in the wind almost. So screen size, like I said, it's about 6.2 inch. The camera's 13 megapixel. Talk time 34 hours, guys. That's pretty long. Storage wise, you will get 32 gigs of internal storage, and it will have Android 10, so pretty good. Let's take a look at the phone. So it does have a teardrop notch, pretty cool. I kind of like that design, honestly. As you can see on the right, you do have volume up, volume down, and power button. And then from the side, you will have your SIM, where your SIM card goes, your SIM tray. So nothing too fancy. I do like the color blue on it. It's like a darker bluish. Here's the back. So it looks like that's your fingerprint sensor in the back. And you do have two cameras, so it's pretty cool. One's gonna be main, one's gonna be ultra wide, maybe. We'll find out. And then of course you do have your flash. So it's not a bad phone at all. Like I said, I kind of do like it. It's pretty good. And it definitely looks like a decent phone. So I'm pretty excited for it. It does look really good, like I said, and yeah, let's check more stuff out. It says focus where you want it. The fast focusing. Wow, I think I said facing earlier. Sorry, it's really early in the morning still. The fast focusing 13 megapixel camera means you never miss a moment. Take sharp photos and get great results, even in less than perfect light. Well, what does that mean? Does it have like night mode or something? I don't know. Feel creative, play with depth of field by adding the beautiful blur or bokeh effect on portraits using the depth sensor. So the second camera looks like it's going to be depth sensor. Or swap out the background with a different photo altogether. Whoa, that might be kind of cool. Wow. It says stretch your imagination, bring your favorite movies, shows, websites, and games to life with ultra wide screen, the 6.2 inch max vision HD plus display. Like I said, it's probably going to be a 720 display. It's a 19:9 aspect ratio. So with a bigger screen to the body proportions, you'll love the fact that you can see basically a lot more with it. So pretty cool. Now the battery, it's not a 4,000 milliamp. It's pretty close though. It's a 3,550 milliamp battery. You can get up to 2 days and never worry about recharging. Stream music for 103 hours or shows and movies for 11 hours. Wow. Plus get 15 days of standby time and know you have battery, wow, when you need it the most. That's pretty crazy, man. if you think about it, 15 hours or 15 days, good God, of standby time. Remember, that's standby time, so you just leave your phone there, not doing anything. Let's look at the specs. This is going to be official specs. So it's a 3,550 milliamp battery, talk time up to 34 hours. Of course, the battery is non-removable. Memory, you do get 2 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of ROM. So let's say 2 gigs of RAM. It's on the lower end. You know, we need to start seeing at least 3 gigs, but for the price, we can't complain. It's under $100, especially if you do the extra 20% off. And now it's nice that they do give you 32 gigs, no more 16, which I love. And you can put up to a 512 gigabyte micro SD card. Processor on this thing's pretty actually amazing. It's a Snapdragon 632 octa-core processor, which is pretty decent for the price. This might be the best budget phone, I would say, with a nice processor. Camera's a 13 megapixel plus a 2 megapixel dual rear camera system. The front is a 5 megapixel front facing camera. Like I said, sorry, I think I was finding that yawn right there. It's a 6.2 inch HD plus maximum vision display, and Bluetooth, it's only a 4.2 LE class 1. Most of these are like Bluetooth 5 or something. Well, like I said, the non-budget ones does have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, which is always good to see. What's included? So what's included, of course, you get the phone, the cable, SIM tool, charger, and guide. So not too bad. I'll say this phone is decent for what it is. Like I said, the processor, the screen, and of course the battery are the 3 things that I like about it. Of course, the memory as well, 32 gigs. Does have Android 10. So I don't know, I might have to get it and unbox the thing and see how good it is. What do you guys think? So let me know in the comments below if this is something that you guys want me to go ahead and unbox and review and all that stuff. And we'll put it up against other phones. So check it out, guys.